welcome back to my channel. I know I look funny. I've done my eyes and my eyebrows, and today the video is going to be about how to prep your skin, how to hide all those dark spots, and how to apply foundation. So let's get started. So I'm going to start by moisturizing my face. This one is from Clinique. It is called Moisturizing Surge Intense, and I have a very dry skin, so this is very good for dry skin. I'm just going to apply it all over my face, massage it well. So moisturizer is done. I'm going to apply for Sali Rose Gold Oil. This keeps the skin hydrated. So third step is to prime your face. This one is from Smashbox. It's known as Photo Finish Foundation Primer. You can get it at Sephora. And it is very important to prime your face because it makes your makeup last longer. So let's prime. This is Cover Fix Rose Gold drops, and I'm just going to shake it well. I'm going to apply it all over my face. You can also use this with foundation. You can mix it with foundation, but I prefer to apply it like this because it gives a very glowy effect, and your skin looks very dewy with it. Next, I'm going to use this palette. This is from Anastasia, and I'm going to hide all the dark spots on my face, like my under eyes, chin area, this little boy here. So I'm going to use this orange color. Actually, you can use any contouring palette. There is one from MAC, there's one from NYX, and I think it's available in Nykaa as well. Hide this and apply it here. I'm looking like a clown. Okay, so this is done. Foundation time. This one is from NARS. It's my favorite. It's in the shade Medium Dark 2, and I'm just going to apply it all over my face. I'm going to take one pump. So I'm going to use this concealer. This is also from NARS. It's called the Radiant Creamy Concealer. It's in the shade Medium Dark 1 Buiscuit, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes, my nose, chin, cupid's bow, and on my forehead. Also on my nose. And I'm going to blend it. This is my beauty blender. Concealer is done, and I'm going to set my makeup using this Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder. Guys, you should always be very particular about your under eye area. There shouldn't be any harsh lines, so I'm just going to dab it like this, just to make sure that there are no harsh lines. And with the same brush, I'm just going to take a little bit of powder, and I'm just going to put it here. And usually I get very oily on my T-zone, So I'm just gonna put powder here on the chin area and forehead. I'm just gonna take a little bit on this, whatever there is on the cover, or do it like this. Just apply it over my face. So let's give some color to the skin. I'm going to use this bronzer from Bobbi Brown. This is in the shade Deep 4. And I'm going to take a little bit on the brush. I'm going to dab the excess on my hand and I'm just going to pat it here. So always remember to follow this line. Same thing I'm going to do on the other side. And I'm just going to apply it on my forehead. Let's add some more color. I'm going to use this palette from Tarte. It's called Blush Bazaar. There are a lot of colors in it, but my favorites are these because they're all very light and neutral. But today I'm going to use this color. This is called Endless. I'm just going to dab it on the brush, a little bit on my hand, and apply it on the cheekbones. Smile, apply it on the apple of your cheeks. So, keep it on the nose so that it looks natural. And that's about it. So now I'm going to apply this highlighter, which is from Becca. It's in the shade Champagne Pop. And I'm just going to take a little bit and apply it on my cheekbones. Guys, if you have large pores or if you have acne around this area, don't apply highlighter, don't use it, because it will enhance your pores and your acne even more. So just apply it on the bridge of your nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and a little bit here on the eyebrows, sorry, above your eyebrows. And we're almost done. I'm just going to set my makeup using this setting spray. It's from Urban Decay. It's called All Nighter. I'm just going to apply it all over my face. I'm just going to close my eyes. And setting spray is very important. It helps your makeup to set. It gives a very dewy finish, and also your makeup will last even longer. And the last but not the least is to apply a lipstick. So I'm going to apply a nude lipstick as my eyes are very heavy. So this is the final look. I hope you guys learned something new and you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. See you all soon.